That's so loud. GPS on boat. Computer files with logs. GPS on boat. So one boat, two boat. Three, four, and where's my escape route? Escape. There. One. They fuck up. Two. Three. Four. What? Required. Where's the last one? I got this. Five. Escape! Yeah, look at that chopper. They're never gonna catch me. A new tool. How do I do this? Fortnite! Oh, I have no more blanks. Heavy lifting. Wait. Why would expensive be a selling point? We're so gonna destroy that. The link to mine. Since the computers didn't include any details on BT, maybe there are documents in the safes that could bring some clarity. You have already done a lot for me, but you have the time. If you have the time and energy, I'd appreciate it. Yes. Found out about the cars and totally overreacted. I'm literally just fucking up both of these guys' lives. I just saved the life of those poor cars, and he immediately goes completely mental and vandalizes my property. Can you believe that? Good thing I'm properly insured. I've thought about ways to get back at him. Finally nailed it. The iconic water tower at Lee Chemicals. His grandfather built it with his bare hands, and it has since become a symbol of his entire Lee family. They even use it in their logo type. Making that tower a little less tall might be a more suitable symbol for the small man he is. What would be the most appropriate? Not lightning, not fire. I guess this one. Could just... what else? 1, 2. There we go. Still a little too tall for me. I can't use my physics gun? Shame. Guess I'll just have to... Whoopsies. Cut it down to size. Beautiful. And just after they had that beautiful news segment. Breaking news! Neanderthals! He fumes. Whoops. There's some madman on the loose. I know who he is. Really took this one step too far. Oop. You probably heard it on the news, but did I just fucking die? You probably heard it on the news, but he hit my tower. The Lee Tower. My poor grandfather is probably turning in his grave right now. It'll cost me a fortune to rebuild that. I need to get back at Gordon. But he's so loaded with money that whatever I do, he could just pay someone to fix it. The only way to get to him is to strike where his fat Wally can't protect him. His precious art collection. Some of those paintings would also make a nice contribution to the restoration fund of my tower. He wants me to thieve. Could you do a quick job for me? You see, there's construction going on in the marina. Some new dock or something. And there are high-end tools spread all over the place. I could really use some of them for an up-and-coming job. Could you go over there and collect them for me? Dog, you're just having me be a fucking burglar at this point. See at least 4 paintings. These 2. We'll see about this one first. Wired alarm box. What would happen if I was to... Oh, I can use it this time. Fuck. Well, guess it's starting. Where's this next one at? Well, what is it? It's in here. 2. Three. Where's this last one at? Where's it? 4. Flee! Where's my getaway? Getaway? Oh, it's over there. I'm never gonna make it. Fly, fly, fly. I can make this. I can make this. I can make this. Oh. Good evening. I'm a claim adjuster at Kirith? No. Kirthi Insurance Group. Investigating art incidents that happened at Gordon Wu recently. Mr. Wu claims he knows responsible for his own paintings. Lawrence, but he's very keen and not involved with the police. Gordon's account has caused us some financial strain recently, and it is our interest to bring back the paintings as discreetly and swiftly as possible. According to our intelligence, the paintings are hidden at the marina. I know Gordon has been working with you in the past. Maybe you can help me out. Okay, so an insurance adjuster is contact me to thieve paintings that I thieved before. Okay. Whoa, okay. One, two, three, 4. We'll start with that one. I found you. Fuck. What the fuck? I almost got my ass. Okay, okay, holy shit, this fire spread quick now. I died. I died to fucking fire. Let's try this again. You. Let's see, I need a... Quickly, there we go. Under the bed. Where's the exit? Now am I gonna have to go steal him back a third time? Whoa, where am I? Fancy. Nice job with the paintings. A little charred here and there, so I'll have to find someone to retouch them a bit before they are returned to Gordon. He won't know the difference. Anyway, I heard about the thunderstorm. I'm glad you made it out safely. Guess what? We found a pattern recently for the recently visited location on the GPS you picked up from the marina. It pointed me to Hollow Rock Island, an old fishing processing plant. Why can't I fucking read? An old fish processing plant now making some kind of energy drink. BT is short for Blue Tide. Why didn't I think of that before? My daughter is totally addicted to that disgusting sugary sludge. I'm here right now, a bit worn down, but pretty. It's a bit worn down, but pretty. Better in the image. I'm still trying to figure out the mobile telephone camera. Okay, so she's old. Most of the island is closed off for visitors, and they don't seem very interested in answering questions. I need to find out where Mr. Lee, or where Lee's payments go. If I could just have a look in the Blue Tide computers, that might bring some clarity. I was hoping you could do me one last favor. Not only did Lee steal some of our most beloved paintings, but the insurance company is causing me headaches too. I'm a premium customer. Wow, you think that matters to fucking insurance companies? But I still haven't seen any money for those paintings. I'll deal with Lee later, but right now I need to take that insurance payout in my own hands. I don't have a personal grudge with anyone at the company, so I'd like to poke at them a bit where it hurts. Any respected company the most, their bank accounts. I have a top-notch policy on my cars, so if some of those cars were stolen, they may need to cough up. I'll hook a few cars to the alarm system, make it look legit. Please be gentle. I'm not gonna be gentle. Insurance fraud. Doing it in broad daylight. Okay, 3 required. Two and 3. Is there any way that I could just pick it up? Let's see. Oh shit, hey. Any other goodies in here for me? What is holding this thing up? That's not attached. Ah. Uh-oh. Did not think that would happen. Well. Where is it at? Oh my. Number three. I don't think I do this one. Nope. Fuck.